Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the affiliate portal settings and how can you ensure that you are compliant in terms of commission payments and how can you reduce the manual follow-ups regarding the text forms from your affiliates. So let's dive into my screen right here and I'll take you through the settings. All right, so the first thing you want to do is in your sub account, head over to marketing and then under affiliate manager, you will find the settings option. So just click on that. Once you click on settings, you'll find these three tabs right here. So you now have to head over to affiliate portal settings and it will give you four options that you can toggle on or off. So by default, these will all be off because these are some new features, but I'll take you through all of these one by one and explain why they matter. So the first one we have here is ask affiliates to upload the W9 or W8 form. Now this is required for the tax purposes, and if you have affiliates, then you're going to have to manually follow up because if you are giving commission payouts at some point, it's going to become important. So if you want to avoid all of that manual hassle, you can turn this on, and by default, when affiliates access their portal where they can track affiliates, leads, commissions, all of that stuff, they can directly upload that here. So making sure that you do not have to chase everybody down whenever it's needed. So if you want to save the trouble, you can turn this on. Then the next option we have here is the mass referral emails and affiliates dashboard. Now, whenever you launch an affiliate campaign, these affiliates will be referring leads in, right? And by default, these affiliates can see the information, for example, email and the customer name of the lead they referred to you, right? So if you want to maintain privacy and you want to make sure that they're not able to see the full emails, what you can do is you can enable this option right here. And if I hit save to show you this in action, we'll head back here. And now if I'm the affiliate, if I have my portal open, this is how I will see the email. So you can see that it has hidden some part of the email, making sure that the full email is not visible, making sure that the people that you are getting, their privacy is reserved. Then coming back here, the third option we have is require affiliates to set up a payment method. Now this will show a banner on affiliate dashboard prompting them to their payout. So enabling this option will make sure that they see that right away and they connect their payouts before getting into anything else. Then lastly, we have the configure payout method. So here you can enable either the bank payments or PayPal. So whichever payout method you want to offer to your affiliates, you can enable that here, and this will reflect in the affiliate portal as well. Once you're happy with these settings, you can go ahead and click on save. And now we have all of these things in action. And this just makes sure that you have optimized your affiliate portal setup, ensuring less manual follow-up, your data privacy, and of course, reminding the affiliates to set up their payout method straight away. So that was about this quick video. Hopefully it provided you some value. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them right below. This is Osama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.